Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to connect your LG Smart TV to your phone. I will be demonstrating this with an iPhone. So here I have the TV and I have a phone here. First, you need to make sure that both your TV and your phone are in the same Wi-Fi network. Second, you go to your phone, you swipe down on the right corner, and you tap the screen mirroring icon. If your TV is Apple compatible and your TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, your TV should be visible here. So you click, you have a code, and now we're mirroring our phone on the TV. If you want to stop the mirroring, go to the same screen mirroring selection and click stop. And that's it. Now you know how to mirror your iPhone on LG Smart TV. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.